Good morning, students. Our first sum is using factor theorem. Show that x minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus 2x square minus 9x plus 18. Hence, factorize the expression. So, the meaning of the statement is first we have to show this x minus 2 is a factor of this given polynomial. And the second part is factorize this expression. Now, see, the highest degree of this expression is 3, so it is a cubic polynomial. So what is a cubic polynomial? When the highest degree of any polynomial is 3, then that polynomial is called cubic polynomial. And I think you know that how to make the factors of this quadratic polynomial, but this is a cubic polynomial. So in this sum you will learn how to make the factors of a cubic polynomial. So in the solution, first of all, let fx is x cube minus 2x square minus 9x plus 18. Now this is dividend, and let gx is x minus 2 and it is divisor. The first part is show that this x minus 2 is a factor of this. So when this gx will be the factor of fx when the remainder is 0, means when we divide this polynomial by gx and we will get the remainder 0, then we can say that gx is the factor of fx. So first step is write this gx is equal to 0. From this find the value of x. The value of x after shifting you have 2. Then putting this value of x in the dividend. So here you put x value 2, then 2, then 2. The cube of 2 is 8, square of 2 4, multiply 2 8, means after simplification you will get 0. If the remainder is 0, then we can say x minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus 2x square minus 9x plus 18. So this is our first part. The second part is very important. In the second part we are going to make the factors of the cubic polynomial. Now what is the method of making the factors of a cubic polynomial? So listen. The first step is, first here you have to write all the coefficient of each term of the given cubic polynomial. Now see, this is the given cubic polynomial. Now in the first term there is no number. If there is no number, it means 1 is there. So it means the first coefficient is 1. So write 1 here. And the second term coefficient is minus 2. And the third term coefficient is minus 9. And the last is 18. So in cubic we have always 4 terms. See, 1 2 3 4. Then after writing the coefficients of the cubic polynomial, then divide this cubic polynomial by this value of x is equal to 2. Now what is x is equal to 2 here? X is equal to 2 is the root of the polynomial. Then always divide the cubic polynomial by this root. Now what is the method of dividing? So first you write this one as it is, then multiply 2 by 1 and write here 2. Then minus 2 plus 2, 0. Then multiply this 2 by this 0. What is 2 multiplied by 0? 0. Then solve this. Minus 9 and 0 is again minus 9. Then multiply 2 by minus 9. So what is 2 multiply minus 9? It is minus 18. Now 18 minus 18 is 0. Here the remainder should be 0. If the remainder is not 0, it means your calculation is wrong. So here the remainder should be 0. So after dividing you will get now these are the coefficients of the quadratic polynomial. So now use these coefficients for writing a quadratic polynomial. First you write 1, then always write x here. Then plus 0 and always write x. Then this last is always constant, minus 9. Now so see, this is a quadratic and we know that how to make the factors of a quadratic equation. Now what is 1x square? It is x square. No need to write 0x. 0x means 0 and this is minus 9. So this is our quadratic polynomial. So by this method we have reduced the cubic polynomial into quadratic polynomial. Now make the factors of this x square minus 9. So in the next step always write the cubic polynomial, that is given cubic polynomial equal to divisor multiply by quotient. See here, this is x minus 1 is divisor here. We are dividing by x minus 2, and this is quotient. What is this? This is quotient. So in the next step, what you have to write the given polynomial, given cubic polynomial. Now what is given cubic polynomial here? It is dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient. Now simplify this, make the factor of this x square minus 9. We can write 9 as 3 square and use a square minus b square identity. So what is a square minus b square identity? It is a minus b and a plus b. So write a minus b means x minus 3 and a plus b and x plus 3. This is your answer. So these are the factors of the given polynomial, and you will always get the 3 factors of the cubic polynomial. Thanks.